but there's still like little small sticks from. Seriously?
Oh, brother. Just do it.
Alright, hold on.
Face that way.
Alright. Don't make me laugh.
Okay.
Cinnamon challenge. Just gotta swallow it, right? Okay.
Get like spit in your mouth or something. Like bite your cheeks.
Why am I? Are you setting me up?
No, it makes you salivate. Then you have liquid in your mouth to try and get it down. I'm just saying. How was that? Oh dear Lord.